east of Lubbock and Amarillo, got a line of heavy storms heading toward Oklahoma. As we travel over to other parts of Texas like Abilene, just south of Abilene, actually seeing some thunderstorms there as well. Now it is windy in Ruido, so we are seeing much calmer conditions at this hour here in El Paso and Las Cruces. Now I do want to start out with our latest StormTrack model, which shows we're tracking dry conditions. I would say you'll need a light jacket as you head out the door this morning because a cold front cooling us down for this afternoon. So light jacket, sunglasses will be needed this afternoon as well, but as you can see, we will be clear through the 8 o'clock hour. We advance into 6 o'clock. We start out under clear skies. Then by lunchtime, you'll notice some of that moisture begins to move in from the south. And it does appear that we'll see some heavier storms around Fort Davis, Marfa, so just heads up if you're maybe traveling in that direction. We're still going to be dry, I think, on Friday. Then by Saturday at 6 o'clock, we're still dry. Lunchtime, the clouds are moving in, but most of the moisture stays just to our east. So for the most part, I do think on Saturday, our rain chances don't look as good, but there will be moisture in place and it will be humid. So at 7 o'clock, the numbers still really aren't going up much, with the exception of Fort Davis, where Fort Davis could accumulate about half an inch of rainfall, some light rain around Valentine as well. Deming, Columbus, the numbers really start to go up early Sunday morning, about 1/4 of an inch in Deming, and around Tornillo, just light rain, Sierra Blanca as well. So winds have been out of the west, but I want you to take note. Saturday, the winds will be out of the east. So that means the winds are going to be strongest on the western slopes Saturday and on Mother's Day. So just keep that in mind if you're maybe having a cookout or doing anything outdoors to celebrate Mom on Sunday. Lunchtime, we're breezy, El Paso, Las Cruces. 5 o'clock hour, we're still tracking breezy to low and windy conditions for Mother's Day. On Monday, I think it will start out breezy, and it does appear the wind's still out of the east. We're still going to be tracking breezy winds, and we're still going to be looking at rain chances to kick off the work week. So there's your weekend forecast, sponsored by Mattress Firm. Low 80s Saturday and on Mother's Day in El Paso. Las Cruces, 78 for you all on Mother's Day, and a 20% chance for rain on Saturday. We're still going to be breezy today, not as windy as it was yesterday. 83 Las Cruces, 85 El Paso. We've got 70s Guadalupe Pass, so area-wide it's going to be